The bowl is all sanded. Now I'm going to give it a coat of oil. I'm using this food safe Watco butcher block oil on this bowl. It really soaks in on the end grain. Now I'll let that oil soak in a little bit. And since I used that sanding sealer on it, it's only going to take one coat of oil. So after I wipe off the excess and that dries, that bowl will be done. Here's the finished bowl. That oil brought the colors out nice. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Check out my channel if you want to see more videos like this.